Hi buddy. Welcome to Great Thinker TV. Today's topic is going to be, how to make passive income in Malaysia. With the rise of living cost in Malaysia, many Malaysians are looking to make some passive income to sustain their daily life. I'm going to listing out few jobs that you can do it as part-time, to earn passive income. The number 1, KIDDOCARE. KIDDOCARE is a platform that uses mobile application to connect and match parents with trained babysitters and childcare centers. This platform hopes to empower women from B40 communities, and for those who are looking for extra income to develop their careers as a professional childcare service provider. How it works. The first step: gets registered. Then, review and confirm the details. And then, get paid on payment online. This is one of the best and highly recommended for entrepreneurs who looking forward to make extra cash. The second one will be KIDDOCARE.MY. This site is an advertising platform that matches brands with drivers. This crowdsourcing platform that helps regular drivers to make extra cash by endorsing their brands on their car's advertisement for the particular organization or companies. How to sign up for the part-time job. First, fill out the form. Then, wait for their feedback. Once it confirms, install the stickers on car, verify, and you will get the payment. The next one will be Mula. Mula is an advertising platform that matches drivers with brands, by allowing drivers to earn while they drive, brands to advertise outdoors. Mula does that by installing stickers onto cars. Drivers can earn passive income while driving their car. How it works. All you got to do is sign up as a driver, and review, and confirms. And starts earning by installing their stickers onto your car. The next will be KIDDOCARE. This platform is to rent out your car, and earn money. Besides, it a peer-to-peer car sharing platform which allows car owners to generate a passive income from their extra car by offering to those who need to rent a car with affordable price. How it works. First, download the KIDDOCARE application on your mobile. Then, set location, price, and even the model. You will receive message from those who want to rent out car from you, and send a booking request. Once received payment for the booking through the KIDDOCARE application. Then, meet the person, and rent the car at an agreed time and location. When the booking ends, meet the person again and get back the car. So, there you go. I will put all the links on the description area. Thank you. If you enjoy this video, please hit the like button, subscribe for more informative content, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.